are in the basement.
It's the weirdest thing. The wind was blowing
And the windows
out of the norm.
are covered. Well, pretty much covered. Let's go check the rest. Excuse the basement. It's being remodeled at the time. Is that one covered?
Might look like it got some snow.
You can't see too much.
I'm finna take my exercise stuff out.
Right.
Yeah, my tummy thing. Girl.
Uniform rack.
You be quiet, Shay. It's warmer down here than it is upstairs. What you
It
think?
always is. That's why I'm moving down here.
Oh, that's why she's moving down here. I'm trying to get her to go outside and
Barbie
take the video. Take the video.
I am not. I went outside about 4 times yesterday shoveling
Should I
snow.
put on your daddy's army boots, maybe?
You know, I forgot we still had them tapes down here.
Yeah, they really need to go.
Not my Barbie tape.
Who cares, Shay?
It's the.
Oh, this mattress comfortable.
That's why I'm
This
moving down
This
here.
feel like a water bed.
The Barbie Nutcracker, the true ballerina.
He put Ashley's thing on here. Ashley's mattress. And threw that other one out.
The closet of the 90s. You want to know why I say that? Where that Bill Cosby sweater at? It's somewhere in here. Up there it go. Bill Cosby threw up in our basement.
Why do we still have all this old stuff?
Oh no, look at this shirt. If I ever see somebody wearing this, I am going to talk about them so bad they are going to cry. You need to be on what not to wear. Y'all know she's still wearing stuff, right?
That ain't mine. That's your daddy's.
Oh Lord, my daddy wore something this ugly.
Oh no.
I thought my daddy had taste. He always picked me out good clothes.
Can I wear that for Black History Month?
Girl, you better not. I don't care what era you trying to portray.
Oh man, I gotta go in the snow. I gotta put on my army boots. Ugh. I heard somebody knocking.
No, that was a headboard.
How do you put on army boots when your feet are crooked?
That's why they don't enlist sloop for the people in the army.